Today I am reviewing the BISSELL ProHeat 2X Revolution Pet Pro Plus Carpet Cleaner. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you have pets and you are tired of looking at those mystery stains on your carpet, you have probably been eyeing the BISSELL ProHeat 2X Revolution Pet Pro Plus. I have been using this machine for the past 3 weeks to clean up after my 2 dogs, and I have some very specific thoughts on whether it actually lives up to the hype or if it is just another bulky plastic headache taking up space in your closet. You can check the links below the video if you want to see the current pricing or grab one for yourself, but stick around because there are a few things you really need to know before you pull the trigger. Let's start with the cleaning performance because that is why you are buying this. In the max clean mode, this thing is genuinely impressive. I had an old spot from a muddy paw print that I thought was permanent, and after 2 passes with the CleanShot Pretreater, it was effectively gone. The dual brush rolls do a much better job of agitating the carpet fibers than my old single brush model. It really pulls up the grit that you do not even realize is there until you see the color of the water in the dirty tank. Speaking of that dirty tank, it is horrifying to watch, but it is also the best validation that the machine is doing its job. The Express Clean mode is a feature I was skeptical about, but it actually works as advertised. It leaves the carpet damp rather than soaking wet, and it dried in under an hour in my living room. This is a game changer if you have a high traffic area that you need to clean without waiting half a day for it to dry. However, do not expect it to pull out deep, set-in stains in Express mode. You really need the max clean setting and a bit of patience for the heavy-duty messes. Now, let's talk about the pet-specific features. The upholstery tool is decent, but it is not magic. It works well on sofa cushions and stairs, but it does require a bit of elbow grease. If you have a lot of embedded pet hair, you are still going to want to vacuum thoroughly before you bring the carpet cleaner out. If you try to use this as a vacuum, you're going to end up with a tangled, messy brush roll very quickly. I do appreciate the easy removable brush roll cover, though. Being able to pop that off to clean out the hair and gunk is a massive improvement over older models where you needed a screwdriver and a prayer to get the brushes clean. It is not all perfect, though. The biggest disappointment for me is the plastic build quality. It feels a bit flimsy, especially the latches on the water tanks. You have to be gentle with them, or I could easily see them snapping over time. Also, the machine is heavier than it looks. Maneuvering it around tight furniture corners takes some physical effort, and the cord length could be a few feet longer to avoid having to switch outlets constantly. If you are someone who expects this to be a set-and-forget-it miracle worker, you might be let down. It requires maintenance. You absolutely have to rinse the tanks and clean the brush rolls after every use, or the machine will start to smell like a damp basement within a week. BISSELL includes the FreshStart odor protection, which helps, but it is not a substitute for actually cleaning the machine. If you are lazy about maintenance, you will regret buying this. So, who is this for? If you have pets, kids, or just high-traffic carpet, this is a fantastic tool that will save you hundreds of dollars compared to renting a professional carpet cleaner a few times a year. It pays for itself fairly quickly if you use it regularly. However, if you are living in a tiny apartment with mostly hardwood floors and maybe one small area rug, this is probably overkill. You would be better off with a handheld spot cleaner rather than this full-sized beast. Overall, I think the BISSELL ProHeat 2X Revolution Pet Pro Plus is a solid, practical investment. It is not perfect, and the plastic parts feel like they could be sturdier, but the actual cleaning power is undeniable. It tackles pet odors and stains better than most consumer-grade machines I have tested. If you decide it is the right fit for your home, remember you can find the links below the video to check out the current price and availability. Just make sure you are ready to put in the work to keep the machine clean, and it will keep your carpets looking fresh for a long time.